Welcome back to the channel, children. Welcome back to Simple Learning. Second phase of Indian national movement is another confusing chapter for most of the students, and I'm here with insider tips of what is to be done in the chapter and what is to be left out so that you do not waste time in doing the entire chapter uselessly. So let's get started and watch the video till the end for some good news. All right. So, the second phase of the Indian national movement is all about the assertive nationalist leaders. If you see your syllabus box, I have cancelled the Surat split of 1907. That is not in syllabus for this year, your semester 1. So, you do not need to do this. And we will go page by page now and see what is to be done and what is to be cancelled from the chapter. So, scheme of partition right from the beginning, you have to cancel. You do not need this detail. Cancel it. Even this part of how the division of Bengal was to be done, you do not need to know. And causes of partition of Bengal. Now, this part is important because there are two things. One thing is that Lord Curzon, who proposed the partition of Bengal, he gave one reason as the cause of partition of Bengal, but actually the Indian nationalist leaders understood that there are hidden motives and there are other causes. So this part is very important and this is very frequently asked in exam. So here you can write as important for your reference. Now there is a very important word here. You can mark it administrative necessity. This is the reason given by the British government for the partition of Bengal. So this word can be used in the MCQ. I mean, this phrase can be used, and there may be other reasons given, and you may be asked what was the exact reason for the partition of Bengal given by the British, and your answer would be administrative necessity. So please mark it. They said that Bengal was too big to be efficiently administered by single provincial government, so they wanted to divide the province of Bengal. But the officials who worked out the plan had other concealed motives. Now, this is also important. What were the concealed motives? And that is what is given in the syllabus, that what was the perspective of Indian leaders? What did they think about it? Now, one concealed motive was another important keyword, that Bengal was the nerve center of Indian nationalism at that time. So they wanted to divide Bengal. Then again, all these paragraphs are important, children, till the anti partition movement. So you can just see here the second main reason is they wanted to reduce Bengalis to a minority in Bengal itself. Third main reason is that division was done on the basis of religion, but the Indian nationalists understood that it was a concealed motive, that they wanted to divide on the basis of religion, because East Bengal would be a Muslim majority state and West Bengal would have a Hindu majority. So these kind of details are important for MCQs. Please mark them. What did they propose? East Bengal would be Muslim majority, West Bengal would be Hindu majority. Now, here on the side, because the heading is not given, I make my students write this whole paragraph tells you Indian leaders' perspective on the partition of Bengal. What did Indian leaders think? They clearly saw the design behind the partition and they condemned it. They saw in it a deliberate attempt to divide Bengalis on religious and territorial grounds and thereby weaken nationalism in Bengal. So this is what the Indian nationalists understood. And they proposed that if Bengal partition was to be done, it would be done better on the basis of language than on the basis of religion. So it hurt the sentiments of the sensitive Bengalis as well. So these reasons for the partition of Bengal are extremely important. After that, there's a major part of the chapter which is cancelled. So from anti-partition movement, you can start cancelling. Cancel this whole part. Then come to people's reaction. Cancel the whole part till the end. Come to the next page. Impact of anti-partition movement. This all thing you can cancel. I've already put a slanting line here. You don't need to do this. Then comes the Surat split of 1907. For this year, even that part is cancelled. So this whole page number 47 is fully cancelled. The next page, again, this full page and the other page 48 and 49 are also, children, not in syllabus. So lot of subtopics from the chapter are deleted. You can cancel them. Causes for the rise of assertive nationalists. Many teachers and students are confused. This is not coming. Don't need to waste time on this part. Just cancel everything here. And I'm saying it with confidence. I've been teaching this for years and I know this is not a part of the syllabus. So just cancel all this part. What you need to look is the picture of the three main assertive nationalist leaders, Bal Lal Pal, that is Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. So don't miss out on this picture because you may be asked to recognize the leaders. Then again, this whole page is cancelled. So page 49 is also cancelled. Page 50, again you have to cancel. But you will start with the main objective of assertive nationalists. The main objective was attainment of Swaraj. Please mark it. Immediate attainment of Swaraj. And then there are four major headings here. The methods of assertive nationalists. Like I told you in the previous video on early nationalists, these are important. So their methods were Swadeshi, boycott, national education, and passive resistance. Under passive resistance, you have further topics: revivalism of Indian culture, personal sacrifices of leaders to be given as examples, and mass involvement. So, all these are extremely important, and also the difference between early and assertive nationalists. Now, this will not be asked in a table or something, but definitely this can be put in the form of MCQs. And you may be asked what were the features of early nationalists and their struggle, which was not a feature of assertive nationalist struggle for freedom. So this table will help you to remember that. So all these are to be done. Then repressive measures of government are cancelled. Achievements of early nationalists are cancelled. Leaders of assertive nationalism, you will do Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Again, like in the previous video, I told you, you have to do any two contributions. So especially they will not ask you any contributions. So don't worry about all these details. Just have one reading of this. Most likely, you will not get many questions from this part, but that doesn't mean you don't have to do. You have to do the main things like the books written by them, the societies founded by them, the quotes told by them like Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, and just follow these red colored headings. That is all about all the leaders, Bal, Lal and Pal.